Tired of pimples but don't want to use medicines? Don't worry, in this video, I'll share simple and natural ways to clear your skin fast. We'll be diving deep into my favorite home remedies for those pesky pimples. These remedies use everyday ingredients that can make a big difference. They're gentle on your skin too. Get ready to say goodbye to pimples and hello to clear, glowing skin. We'll be showing you real results with incredible before and after pictures, so you know these remedies really work. Let's kick things off with a classic, ice. You know how you ice a sprained ankle to bring down the swelling? Well, it's the same idea with pimples. Ice can work wonders to reduce the inflammation that makes pimples look big and angry. It constricts blood vessels, which helps minimize redness and makes your pimple way less noticeable. Think of it like this. Your pimple is throwing a party and everyone's invited. Redness, swelling, you name it. But when you apply ice, it's like you're telling everyone to go home, party's over. Now you don't want to put ice directly on your skin. That's a recipe for irritation. Instead, grab a clean washcloth and wrap an ice cube in it. Then just repeat this a few times a day, especially when you first notice a pimple popping up. I know it sounds simple, but trust me, this trick can really take the heat out of a breakout. Plus, it feels nice and refreshing on your skin. Who doesn't love that? Next up, we're heading to the pantry for this one honey and turmeric. These two ingredients aren't just for cooking, they're like a power couple for fighting pimples. Honey, as you probably know, is super sticky. But did you know it's also naturally antibacterial? That means it can help fight off the bacteria that can contribute to breakouts. Plus, it's a humectant, which is a fancy way of saying it helps keep your skin moisturized. Turmeric is another powerhouse ingredient. It contains curcumin, which has amazing anti-inflammatory properties. That means it can help calm down redness and swelling, making your pimples less noticeable. To make this spot treatment, just mix a tiny pinch of turmeric with a little bit of raw honey. You want to create a paste-like consistency, then apply that directly to your pimple. Leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse it off with lukewarm water. This is a great spot treatment to use after you've applied ice to a pimple. It's like a 1-2 punch for fighting those blemishes. Chapter 3. Green tea. Sip it, rinse it, love it. Last but not least, let's talk about green tea. This isn't just for sipping anymore. Green tea is packed with antioxidants, which are like little superheroes that fight off damage in your body, including your skin. One of the key antioxidants in green tea is called EGCG, and it has been shown to have some pretty impressive anti-acne effects. It can help reduce sebum production, which is the oily stuff that can clog your pores and lead to breakouts. Plus, it has anti-inflammatory properties, just like turmeric. Now, you can drink green tea to enjoy its benefits from the inside out, but we're going to use it topically too. Brew yourself a cup of green tea and let it cool completely. Then, you can use it as a face rinse after cleansing. Or, soak a cotton pad in the tea and apply it directly to your pimples like a toner. You can do this once or twice a day. And hey, while you're at it, go ahead and enjoy that other cup of green tea. It's a win-win for your skin and your overall health. So there you have it. 3 simple, natural ways to banish those pimples. Remember, consistency is key with any skincare routine. Keep at it, and you'll start to see a difference. And if you're dealing with stubborn acne, don't hesitate to reach out to a dermatologist. We've seen it all and we're here to help. Sometimes you just need a little extra help from a professional. Now go ahead and give these home remedies a try, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips and tricks. Until next time, stay pimple-free, my friends.